Hi, my name is Sherrie Prioleau. I am the Park District Manager of Druid Hill Park Division. On a daily basis, I just make sure my assistant and supervisors is doing their daily duties, checking emails, going out doing park inspections. Sometimes I roll up on the crews, make sure they're doing what they're doing. A little bit of budgeting stuff, some meetings with some councilmen, some other people, and that's pretty much on a day-to-day basis. Keeping parks and playgrounds safe and clean, neat. Again, checking on my crews, making sure that they're doing what they're supposed to be doing. That way we won't get no complaints. Everything is running smoothly. And again, I think it's just all about keeping the parks safe for families to enjoy. Oh man, one leaf to me is pretty much BCLP as a family, like helping each other out, working with different divisions, working closely with rec centers, forestry, just making sure we all on one page so that, again, we can help serve the citizens of Baltimore better by just working together. I would say just continue to work together. Like Baltimore City is a big one leaf. You know, if we help clean up our communities, help, volunteer in your parks, volunteer in your rec centers, that just will help us all just continue to be one great Baltimore City that I know that we are.